All right. How many times a day does somebody call you Lincoln Peirce?
Not that often because usually people aren't using my last name at all.
And what
But
are
it
you,
does happen all the time.
What are you reading now?
Oh boy, I'm reading a book about Jim Thorpe called A Path Lit by Lightning.
Favorite genre?
American history, nonfiction.
Favorite food?
Oh boy, ice cream, probably. Strawberry ice cream.
Best prank you've ever pulled?
Oh, I took a dead fish and super glued it into a locker in my high school on the last day of school.
What inspires you?
Oh, all my friends and family who have always been so supportive of me.
Is Coach John still your favorite character to draw?
Definitely one of. He is super fun, but I have others that I also love.
Is shouting the best way to communicate?
Absolutely not.
Do you still have the comics you drew in 6th grade?
I have some. I wish I had more. I should have saved more.
At what institution should the Big Date Archive be held?
Well, right now it's currently being held in an institution called my attic, but it eventually, I think, is going to find its way to the Billy Ireland Cartoon Museum and Library at Ohio State University.
Oh. When it comes to writing, are you a planner or a pantser?
I guess I'm probably a planner.
Winter, spring, summer, or fall?
Fall.
Are you an overthinker or an underthinker?
Under.
How autobiographical is the Big Nate series? Very or just a little bit?
Just a little bit.
Have you ever won a blue ribbon in an apple pie contest?
Yes, I have.
End of the questions.
Thank you.